to take me when she flies, and I